Polynomial inequalities. Question 8. Solve x squared plus 2x greater than 0. So what we can do is, we can factor this out to figure out where the zeros are. So x squared plus 2x, x can be taken as common, and so we have x plus 2 greater than 0. Correct? And now we can sketch it. So if we try to sketch it, then we have two zeros here. One is at 0 and the other one is at minus 2. So let's say this is minus 2. And since x coefficient is positive, the graph is opening upwards. We can draw a graph like this of a parabola. And from here we can see that the region where this graph is positive is this. Correct? So we get our solution. So here this 0 is at minus 2, this 0 is at 2, and we say that if between minus infinity to minus 2 it is more than 0, and union between 0 to infinity it is greater than 2. So that is how we can do it with the help of a graph. Correct? You can also make table of values and test point to solve this question. So for making table of values, what you need to do is you need to write down, let me just use more space here. Okay, so our factors here are x and x plus 2. So we have x here and then x plus 2. These are two factors. So, and our zeros are at 0 and at minus 2. So I should write minus 2 first and then 0. Okay, so zeros are at minus 2 and 0. So let's take a test point. So we can take a test point as minus 3 in this part of the Cartesian plane, and between minus 2 and 0, minus 1 could be a test point, and after 0, 1 could be a test point, right? So if I put minus for x, I get a negative value, for minus negative value, and for plus 1 it will be a positive value. In case of x plus 2, if I write minus 3, it results into a negative value. Minus 1 will give me positive, and 1 will also give me positive value. Now if I multiply these two terms, what do I get? So I get negative and negative makes it positive. Positive and negative is negative. When multiplied, two positives will give me positive. And therefore, for the function to be greater than 0, this is our solution. Correct? So between minus infinity to minus 2, the function is positive, and between 0 and infinity, the function is positive.